How to use AI to answer new reps' questions automatically. Every sales manager knows the feeling. You've got 10 calls to make, a team meeting to prep for, and a recruiting interview in 20 minutes, and your phone is buzzing over and over with new rep questions. Where do I find the product sheet? How do I log a customer order? Can you send me the support link for new customers? They're important questions, but answering them all day keeps you from doing the work that grows your team. That's where AI onboarding changes the game. The problem with traditional onboarding. Even with good training materials, new reps often forget where resources are stored, don't remember exactly what was covered in training, and they feel embarrassed to ask their manager simple questions repeatedly. The result? Managers become walking, talking help desks, and their recruiting pipeline slows to a crawl. The solution: AI ingestion of your onboarding docs. Here's how it works. First, you upload your onboarding materials, documents, guides, product FAQs, scripts, Vimeo videos, YouTube videos, all of that into the platform. Second, our AI ingests and organizes that information into a searchable knowledge base. And third, new reps type their questions in plain language and get instant, accurate answers, pulled directly from your company's own materials. It's like putting a company expert in the pocket of every new rep, their own personal onboarding coach that never takes a lunch break. The benefits: instant answers anytime, no waiting for a callback or an email reply. Consistent messaging: AI responds with the same answer every time, pulled from your official resources. Manager freedom: more time for recruiting, training, and strategic work. Rep confidence: new hires feel supported and capable from day one. Real-world example: a direct sales company using this AI onboarding feature saw a 70% drop in repetitive questions to managers, managers gaining back 10 to 15 hours per month for recruiting, and a measurable increase in reps making it past the first 30 days. How to get started. Number 1, identify your core onboarding materials, the ones every new rep needs. Number 2, clean them up so information is clear and current. Number 3, upload them into your platform's AI ingestion feature. And number 4, introduce it to every new recruit during day 1 onboarding. The ConveYour advantage. With ConveYour's portal AI search ingestion, you don't have to rebuild your training program. You just make it smarter. The AI works behind the scenes to keep reps moving forward while managers get back their real job, recruiting top talent. Hey, if you're not a ConveYour client already, you can book a demo and see your onboarding materials in action with AI by using the link in the description of this video or the button on this page. If you're already a ConveYour client, you can enable AI ingestions now. Simply contact us at support@conveyor.com. Next in the series, we're going to see how one manager onboarded 50 reps without losing sleep.